Welcome back, everyone. This is Al from Al's Wonderless Adventures. On my last Aventon Adventure video, I shared with you what I went through to get a battery replaced and some recommendations you should do to speed up or lean the process of getting a new battery. On this video, I'll be showing you how to remove and install the battery cover to the battery. Alright, the first thing you would do is to unscrew this screw right here at the end. Once you unscrew it, make sure you put it to the side and where you won't lose it. Then you would slide the cover. If this cover don't slide all the way back, get like a card or something that you can slide on. Once you push it through, then you slide the battery cover off. And now the battery is covered off. Alright, now once you remove the cover, you get your new battery. Then make sure when you have this rubber piece where you charge, it's on correctly. Then you have your on and off switch to turn on the battery, this plastic piece. You would put it back on. Making sure it's on there correctly. You slide the cover slowly forward. Make sure this piece doesn't come off or slide off. Once it's on there, you would replace the screw, this piece, and then screw it back on. So you place the bracket back on, and then you screw it on tight. And that's it. So this is how you would remove the battery cover and install the battery cover back onto the new battery. And of course you would dispose of the old battery properly. So you would probably call the local trash dump or find out where you can dump the battery. I hope this video helps you on how to remove and install the battery cover and installing the cover onto your new battery. Thank you for watching. And like I've always said, when possible, go outside and explore. And with your adventure, go outside and ride your adventure and explore. Thank you for watching.